Welcome to the breathtaking waters of Walvis Bay, where adventure meets luxury on a catamaran tour like no other. Picture yourself stepping aboard a sleek, luxurious vessel, greeted by the gentle sway of the ocean and the promise of an unforgettable journey ahead. As we set sail, the anticipation builds. Our mission? To spot the ocean's illustrious Big Five: whales, dolphins, mola, leatherback turtles, and seals. With panoramic views surrounding you, sip on a hot cup of coffee or tea as we glide towards Pelican Point. Here, the iconic lighthouse stands sentinel over a colony of 60,000 Cape fur seals, a sight to behold. During the peak season from July to November, the waters come alive with the majestic southern right and humpback whales. Keep your eyes peeled. You might just catch a glimpse of the elusive gray whale or pygmy right whale. Dolphins dance in the waves, with bottlenose heavisides and dusky dolphins making frequent appearances. As we journey further, the sky is alive with seabirds, kelp gulls, hartlob's gulls, and Cape cormorants adding to the spectacle. And just when you think it can't get any better, we turn back towards the bay. Here, indulge in fresh oysters and sparkling wine, savoring savory snacks and sweet treats as ships and oil rigs pass by in the distance. Our adventure concludes as we return to the waterfront at 12:30 p.m., leaving you with memories of a lifetime. So why wait? Book your spot now for this luxurious marine wildlife tour and immerse yourself in the wonders of Walvis Bay's oceanic paradise. Your adventure awaits.